Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tanya and we are fashion. If you're new here, welcome. So in today's video, I wanted to come on and share with you guys something that I have been wanting for a very long time, ever since last year around my birthday time. So I went on Fashion File and I didn't see anything, and if I did see something, it wasn't in good condition. So I end up going in Louis Vuitton, just looking around to see what they had. I didn't want anything big or anything like that, but I knew I wanted this particular item. So I end up getting it. So I want to share with you guys what I got. So I want to do an unboxing with you guys. So it's been a while since I did an unboxing, so bear with me. So, but before I take her out, can anyone guess what's in this box? Huh? Ah. Can anyone guess what's in this box? I'll wait. I can't wait. I can't wait. So, yeah. So let's unbox her and find out what's inside. So, now she's small. She's not what y'all think she is, but I always wanted this item, and I'm so excited. Did anyone guess? Did anyone guess? Okay. Here she goes. Here she is. She's finally here. She's finally here. So, what I got from Louis Vuitton is a makeup bag. This cute makeup bag I have been wanting for a very, very long time. I remember last year I went in there. They just kept selling out. So, I ended up having to pick up this one here, which I absolutely love. Don't mind having, but she is filled to the capacity. I can't fit anything else in here. So I saw this one in there and I had to have it. So this is her. Is she not cute? Is she not cute? She is such a cute little bag, little makeup bag. Now I could wear her as a handbag. You know, I can do that. You know, she can be worn multiple ways. I believe it. So, let me show you the inside. Oh my gosh, she just zips so nicely. This is the inside of the bag. It has like a little pocket here. And this is just the tags that come with it. Oh my God. I can't wait to dress her up. You know, put my minis in here because she doesn't hold a lot, but she's so cute and I love her so much. I can't wait to add her to my collection. I just love the shape of it. It's just so cute. Now I can wear this, you know, as a handbag, as a clutch, but we're going to dress her up, you know, put little things in here. I might order online on Amazon to get a insert for this so it won't, you know, mess up, because I'm not trying to put any foundation or anything messy or anything that can break in here. I just want like simple minimal things in here. So yes guys, this is her. Absolutely love this makeup pouch. So super cute, and yeah, love this bag. It's so cute. So that is it. That is all that I had to share. But before I go, now it might be a little bit off topic, but I just want to give you guys a tip, right? If you're trying to lose weight and you want to keep the weight off, right? So I have a tip for you guys. Get you a pair of jeans that you absolutely can't live without, absolutely love. Your jeans is on repeat all the time. Get you a pair of jeans and keep them in your closet. Try them on every 3 months. If those jeans is not fitting the way they should be, they're a little bit too tight around the waist, the leg, girl, you know you don't gain too much. So it's time to back it on up, and start all over. There's nothing wrong with starting all over again. I mean, you fell off, so what? Get back on track. Health is wealth, and that's my tip to you guys. So don't forget, put on your sunscreen, drink plenty of water, stay hydrated, and yeah, now keep yourself healthy. Yeah. So that is it. That's all I had to share with you guys. Like, comment, subscribe. Oh, and I forgot to get thank you again for the 300 subscribers that I do have. Thank you so much. I love you. Thank you for believing in me and giving me a chance. And thank you so much for returning to all my returning subscribers. And love you guys so much. And thanks for watching. Thanks for liking this video. You know, tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend that, you know, to subscribe, you know, to like the video. And I will talk to you guys soon. Peace.